dito ramdam na ramdam mo talaga. Makunat-kunat siya kapag ini-slice mo yan. Ang aroma nito is talaga namang winner. At ito pa yung aking favorite. Ito yung tinatawag nating latik. Ang sarap. Yum. And this is our version of Biko. Biko, the Filipino style. Biko. Yum, yum, yum. Hindi na natin patatagalin guys. Ito na ang ating mga main ingredients. Here, we have the glutinous rice or malagkit na bigas. Meron din tayong kakanggata na kung saan freshly squeezed lang natin ito just right now. Dito guys, gagamit din tayo ng red granulated sugar and pinches of salt. Ayan. So here guys, the first step is we will going to transfer our glutinous rice into our favorite cooking pot katulad niyan. Ayan. Dito guys, meron tayong half kg or 2.5 cup of our glutinous rice. So dito guys, we will going to wash our glutinous rice as per package instruction katulad niyan. And then after washing our glutinous rice, we will going to proceed to the next step. Guys, dito we will going to add the liquid. Dito maglalagay ako ng 1.5 cup of fresh water. And then after adding 1.5 cup of fresh water, we will going to add 1.5 cup of fresh coconut milk. Ayan. So guys, dito i-mix lang natin sila para well blended ang ating liquid. Dito guys, I will going to use my favorite cooking pot or my favorite rice cooker to cook our glutinous rice. And remember guys, we will going to cook itong ating malagkit. Halfway cook lamang, hindi fully cook. Halfway lamang guys kasi we will going to mix this with the rest of other ingredients later on. So guys, while we are waiting for our glutinous rice, we will going to proceed to the next step. Itong ating next step, ito yung process na kung saan ginagawa ang latik. Ayan, in a medium low heated pan, we will going to add 1 cup of fresh coconut milk. Ayan. Guys, sa paggagawa ng ating latik, ito ay laging low heat. And then, hindi natin titigilan ang ating fresh coconut milk sa kakamix katulad niyan. We will going to keep on mixing until ma-achieve na natin yung latik. Guys, sa paglalatik, kailangan lagi tayong low heat, mahinang apoy, at hindi natin ito titigilan sa kakamix para hindi masunog yung ating latik mismo. So guys, after few minutes of mixing, ito na yung ating tinatawag na latik. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ang bango. Ayan. Kapag na-achieve nyo na ang ganitong texture, bigyan lang natin ng konting segundo. And then, we will going to separate itong ating latik sa ating coconut oil. And then, we will going to add the rest of the ingredients. Ayan. Ang bango talaga, guys. Ay, ang bango. Ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Masarap kasi, guys, yung latik. Lalo na kapag nasa taas siya ng ating biko. And then, kapag kinagat nyo siya, ramdam nyo talaga yung lasa ng authentic Filipino style biko. Ayan guys, so since we are done with our latik, ang gagawin natin is hiwalay lang natin ang ating latik from the coconut oil. Ayan, manually ko lang siyang ita-transfer into our bowl, into a small bowl. So guys, dito i-check natin ang ating glutinous rice. Ayan. We are done with our glutinous rice. Guys, itong ating glutinous rice, hindi ito fully cooked ha. Halfway cook lang ang ginawa ko dito kasi lulutuin pa natin yung ating glutinous rice with the rest of the ingredients. Ayan. Ayan, guys, dito niluto ko yung ating biko dito mismo sa ating pinaglatikan. Ayan. Kasi alam nyo guys, kapag niluto natin ang ating biko kung saan tayo naglatik, mas tatagal ang lifespan ng ating biko at sasarap ito habang tumatagal. At the same time, it will add another or it will boost the flavor of our biko. Yum, yum, yum! And then dito guys, bago natin ihalo or bago natin i-mix ang ating biko or lutuin, we will going to add the sugar. Ayan. And then, after adding the sugar, is hahaluin ulit natin ito dito. Remember guys, medium heat lang tayo lagi para hindi masunog yung ating biko. At the more kasi na niluluto mo ito sa mahinang apoy, the more na kumukunat ang ating biko. Di ba yun ang gusto natin, yung makunat-kunat na biko? Guys, dito sa ating biko, dahil we have only half kg of glutinous rice, lulutuin lang natin ito ng more or less 30 minutes in a very low heat. Ayan. And then, habang niluluto natin ito, lagi natin siyang i-mix para hindi masunog yung ating biko at even ang pagkakaluto sa kanya. Nakakatakam, paano ba ito? How's life, everyone? So now we will going to proceed to the next step. So guys, the next step is ita-transfer lang natin ang ating biko dito. Ayan, in a plating, nag-add lang ako ng banana leaves. And then, I will going to add the biko here, katulad niyan. Unti-unti ko lang siyang ilalagay. Alam nyo guys na the more you cook your own food, mas na-appreciate nyo yung value ng recipe na ito. Itong ating biko with latik is simply the best recipe. At marami na tayong mga iba't ibang version nito. Pero this one is the very classic recipe na kung saan perfect na perfect sa bata, sa matanda, at sa middle age. Yum, yum, yum! Alam nyo guys, kung nandito lang kayo sa kitchen ko, my goodness, the aroma is winner. Kung yung aroma ng biko, na kung saan niluto pa natin siya dun mismo sa latik ng niyog. And then yung mismong latik ng niyog na kung saan very, very powerful ang kanyang aroma. Winner. Winner talaga. Dito guys, mag-a-add na tayo ng ating favorite. Ito yung latik. Yung latik kasi guys, ito yung mag-boost ng flavor ng ating biko. At itong biko natin guys ay medyo makunat-kunat. Ay, napakasarap. Yum, yum, yum! Guys, thank you so much for watching in today's recipe. At huwag niyong kalilimutan guys, i-try ang recipe na ito. Biko. Biko with latik. Makunat-kunat, sakto ang timpla, at talaga namang winner. Winner ang presentation at winner sa lasa.